How many metres is the full distance of the track at the moment? To the line then, Tonic. Mr. McGill, the only one with automatic transmission. So it's just out the auto box in that as well. It's taken an awful lot of punishment over the years. Most of them run manual transmissions, 1 or 2 forward gears, and sometimes reverse. They don't have to have a reverse gear. This is basically just to save weight in the machine, so they are allowed if necessary to be pushed back onto the sled. Just edging it forward, get the slack out of the chain. Slack out. Green's on the stake, green's on the track, come on in forward. Move forward in all. It's not really opening right up. Running on limited revs. You need to get speed into that slip when you